To set corner action for bottom right to go to the home screen in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap interaction and dexterity. Scroll down the screen. Under mouse and physical keyboard section, tap auto action after pointer stop. Under corner action section, tap bottom right. Scroll down the screen and then tap the gray on offset next to go to home screen to enable this option. When the switch turns blue, it means that this option is on. Next, you can connect a USB or Bluetooth mouse with your phone. Once done connecting, now you can easily go to your home screen by hovering and stopping your mouse pointer on the bottom right corner of the screen. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.